Today I'm going to show you how to use Wipe-On Polyurethane and do a product review of Watco Wipe-On Poly. This product costs $13 a quart at Home Depot versus the competition Minwax, which is $13 per half quart at Lowe's. All polyurethane is oil-based, so I am wearing gloves so I will not have it on my hands. If you don't use gloves, you're going to have paint thinner or mineral spirits to clean your hands off when you're done. I'm using a microfiber towel, but you can use any soft cloth that you want to. It will not be any good when you're done, so be ready to throw it away after you do your furniture. I'm applying this as lightly as I can to still have it cover, and then I'm going to wipe away the excess as I go. Once the polyurethane starts to dry, it is nearly impossible to wipe off, so I do a section at a time. If I'm doing a tabletop like this, as soon as I'm done with the tabletop, I'm going to wipe the excess off. I keep my microfiber towel damp but not wet. You do not want to leave heavy spots on here. You want to apply it lightly and evenly. And I always make sure I apply with the grain of the wood. Polyurethane is about the toughest top coat or sealer for paint or chalk paint that you can use. So if you're doing a dining room table or anything that gets heavy use, I would use some type of polyurethane. There's a lot of talk about whether polyurethane yellows over time, and the answer is yes, it probably will. However, it will take long enough for you to yellow that you probably won't care that it's yellow because you'll probably be ready to repaint your furniture anyway. The table on the left has no polyurethane on it yet, and the table on the right has the Wipe-On Polyurethane. You can see the color is different. This also happens no matter what you seal your furniture with. Even a clear soft wax will change the color slightly. But if you know you want to use polyurethane and you are good with a shade that is darker than white, I would just go with a lighter shade of chalk paint and then put the poly over it. If you are doing any color besides white, you will probably not notice the color change at all. I definitely like the Watco Wipe-On Poly, and it is literally half the price of the Minwax Wipe-On Poly. It also goes a really long way. I can barely tell that there's any gone from the can after doing these two tables. I would recommend doing 2 coats of Wipe-On Poly. This was covered, but it could be covered better. There's a few spots that are lighter than I would like them to be, so I would definitely go with 2 coats and do the same thing. Wipe on as light as you possibly can and wipe off each area before you move on to the next area. The other thing I like about this so much is it really does give a hand rub look. I'm going to show you what this looks like on black furniture. I know this is quite the opposite of the white tables, but I saw a lot of Gothic skull furniture. But this is done in the same Wipe-On Poly, and you can see how it's got a hand rub look. It's got some sheen to it, but it still looks like it was hand done. So that's it for today. I definitely give the Watco Wipe-On Poly 2 thumbs up. It is easy to use, it looks great, it's no maintenance. It took me 9 minutes and 30 seconds to do one of these tables from start to finish, and it's half the price of Minwax. So with that, gotta give it 2 thumbs up. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And check back often. I put up new videos all the time. Also, if there's a video you would like to see, send me a message and maybe I'll do it. Thank you.